Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Divvy to streamline expense workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the Divvy website or open the Divvy app. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the lower left corner. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, find the option labeled integrations. Select integrations to view the available integration options. Look for the integration that pertains to your expense management tool. Click on the integration option to begin the authorization process. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for authorization. Ensure you have any required API keys or access tokens ready. Once you enter the information, click on the Authorize button. Wait for the system to process your request. If the authorization is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message. Review your integration settings to make sure everything is configured correctly. If needed, customize settings to match your expense workflow preferences. After configuration, return to the main dashboard to start using the integration. Your Divvy account is now authorized, streamlining your expense workflows effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.